Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA G73 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should see a screen recording toggle. Now it appears I don't see it. Either I'm just blind or it's not added here. So I'm going to check right here under this pencil. This will show me the toggles that are turned off. And there it is. So it is turned off by default, looks like it. Once you see this screen recorder toggle, hold it, drag it over the top, drop it, and when you go back you have now access to it in your toggles. From here you can hold it again, and this will take you to the settings where you can just quickly get a look at how it's set by default. If something doesn't fit your needs, you can obviously adjust it. I'm going to keep it as it is. It looks to be set pretty nicely anyway. So now I'm going to find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. Start recording. Gives me a countdown. And it looks like it's recording. I was checking if it's recording sound or what is it. Okay, so it's system sound right here, as you can see under the drop down. I can also record mic, both or nothing. We also have a couple additional options like drawing on a screen. We can enable the selfie camera. We can pause the video, stop it, and also we can color sample, which I assume, oh no, it's not color sample, it's just changing the color of the pencil. Anyway, there we go. So also I should probably mention that whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the screen recorder. So if you open up some kind of apps, they will be recorded. And once you're done, you can stop it by tapping on the square. Now going back to the recording, there is one caveat. You won't be able to record everything. Some applications have somehow access to like the I assume system somehow to the point that they block screen recordings. And just to kind of mention some of these applications, what the names would be, Netflix as an example is one of those apps. So I don't know if we have Netflix installed here, but I know that Netflix will block screen recordings. You'll get the sound. In terms of image, you will just have black screen. Bank account applications, same thing. So if you open up your bank on your phone, you most likely will get a black screen. Obviously, most of these the TV show applications that allow you to just stream shows, movies will be blocking it for obvious reasons. Now, once you're done recording, you can locate your screen recording in your Photos application. If it's not visible right here under Photos, you can navigate into a library. And in here, we should have screenshots or screen recordings. It looks like it's going to be under screenshots. Oh no, it's screen recorder. My bad. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna fast forward just a little bit. And you can see it's already playing. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.